Welcome, teachers. Welcome to the unit on banking. So, we all, I'm guessing most of us, almost all of us, deal with banks on a regular basis. They really end up becoming the hub of our financial lives in a lot of ways. But a lot of people, especially a lot of young people, but even a couple of folks our own age, don't fully understand the banking system, or maybe how to make the banking system work for you. And the first step of that is just to understand what a bank is, what are the types of accounts, why does the bank allow you to say have a free savings account? What does the bank get out of it? And how might you optimize and manage those different accounts? How can you keep track of things to make sure that you aren't overspending, that you're saving, that per other units, you're meeting your financial goals and you're budgeting correctly? That there are people, banking regulations and agencies that are out there to help protect us from unsavory practices, but it's also understanding to know where you do have protections and where you don't have protections. And then as you save money, how do you make sure that that money is working for you in the best possible way? That's this lesson on savings to investing. And then you want to understand that the money will not always have the same value. And so that's where we talk about inflation in this unit. So as always, if you can, you're going to be able to support your students really well if you watch the videos, read the articles, do the exercises, and once again, bring a little bit of your own reality to the students. It'll make them appreciate that this isn't just abstract stuff, but things that really matter to us all.